Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to put our Lamin-X film on our fog lights. So I got these films like almost a year. Like I ordered them June 25th, 2021. So yeah, I just have the time to put them or install them. One reason there's a delay on installing this is because I've been testing multiple LED lights for the fog lights. That's one reason why there's such a delay of installing these films. Again, these are from Lamin-X, and if you want to purchase some Lamin-X film, follow the link down below and you can get 15% discount using my link. Again, let's quickly install this fog light films on our 2021 Toyota Rav4. This is also applicable on your 2019 up to the 2022 model, I believe. And let's go. Okay, so we're gonna use the invisible glass cleaner basically to clean our glass. I'm also gonna use alcohol after I wipe it or clean it with this. I'm gonna use some alcohol just to wipe it down, and also I'm gonna apply this wet application on this one. Basically I'm gonna spray water on the lens and apply this. All right, so let's work on it now. Okay, so we're gonna begin installing the film. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna do wet application. It's up to you. If you want to do wet application, you can do dry application on this one. It's just easier basically to put this on wet application. First, we're gonna spray just one spray on the lens, one spray on the film, and then we will apply it. We can peel this one out if we make a mistake. And then we have the tabs in here. Just hold these tabs while applying it, and then cut it with an X-Acto knife. It's up to you how you want to do that, but again, I cleaned this area already, so let's spray. Okay, just one spray is enough, and let's peel this one and do another spray. Okay, try not to mess up. I'm gonna put the tab in there. It's already sticking. This is gonna be better if you remove the bezel. So, but whatever. I did this before on my CHR and it works well. Okay, and then just massage it out. It's gonna be better if you have like a squingy, which I'm gonna get like a gift card or something just to push this in. Probably I'm not gonna have the time to peel or cut the tab in here. I'm just gonna push it inside. Okay, so one moment. Okay, so I have a gift card in here, and I'm just gonna push this inside. There you go. Okay, so it's pushed in. Then massage it with your finger. Just use your finger on this one, and make sure there will be no bubbles. On this side, I'll do the wet application. On the other side, I'll do the dry application. Okay. So after application, you might see some bubbles, Just leave it like for 3 days and that should disappear. Lamin-X also suggests sometimes that you can poke the air bubble if it doesn't go. So on this one, as you can see on this side, there's like a air bubble in here which I'm trying to massage out, which doesn't go. I don't know why, but yeah, it should go. It will adhere once it's dry. So all right, so let's leave this. I'll show you after a couple of days how it's gonna look like, but on the other side we're gonna do dry application. Okay, so on this side we're gonna do the dry application. So this will be a little hard but still easy, even it's hard, because the film will start sticking. So let's try it. So I'm gonna put I'll do it here first. So it starts sticking. There you go. Nope. There you go. That's it. Nope. Hold on. Okay. Nope. Hold on. Let's do it on the other side. See, it is hard. If we press it in the middle, we can just massage it. Going out, massage. Then we're gonna use our gift card in here to push it inside. Okay, so we're gonna massage. I'm not so worried about the tabs being in there. But if you want to cut it, or if you want to remove this bezel, that's one option that you can do. All right, now it's all good. So as you can see, it's so easy and hard. No, that's easy. So dry application, make sure the tabs are all the way in. Okay, and then just massage this one, just massage the film, and it's gonna be good. So make sure the edges are all pushed through and sticking in there. All right, so use your card if you need to push some film, like this one, pushing the bottom part. Yeah, so all good in here. Yep. So now I'll check the other side, how it's doing right now on that other side. So, and I'll show you once it's all cured, and we're gonna light them up tonight. All right. Okay, so it's still bright right now, but let's test them while inside the garage. Dang, I like it. These are the Last Fit LS Plus with Lamin-X yellow film on the housing or in the lens. These are so bright. I love it. So if you want to go basically this route, this is the cheaper route. Instead of buying like Diode Dynamics or Baja Designs. This is one option that you can do if you want to have nice yellow fog lights. Basically just buy the bulbs. You can buy the $100 bulbs, $50 bulbs. The best like $50 bulb that you can buy is the high carries. Those are one good set of bulbs. But if you want a little bit more, you can get the Last Fit LS Plus or the Oxito Q16. Those are nice bulbs too. So again, if you want to use Diode Dynamics, sure, go ahead. Or Baja Designs, go ahead. If you have the money to buy it, go. I'm supposed to put Baja Designs fog lights on this Rav4. I already have them, but I have another plan on those Baja Designs fog lights. So yeah, so let's test this on the road. Okay, so now we're gonna drive it. We're just gonna drive it in my neighborhood. So because I don't want to go to the main road, because again, I'm still having that anxiety thingy while driving. But yeah, so we're just gonna go around the neighborhood just to show you. All right, let's go. So right now we still have the fog lights off, as you can see. Now we're gonna try, or we're gonna turn them on now. Dang, those look so nice. I love it. Yeah, I love having yellow fog lights. Yeah, so I miss having them. So because my CHR before, yeah, I have them. And then on the Beetle, I actually have the yellow fog light on the Beetle. I have the Lamin-X film also on that one, and it's awesome. But now on the Rav4, because I'm sitting high on the Rav4, it looks better. I can see it better too. It's nice. Yeah, no questions. It's super nice. So again, if you guys want to try this one out, do it. It's the most inexpensive way of having yellow plus LED lights on your car. So again, if you want to buy the film, I'll put the link in the description. Just buy it. It's awesome. So you can have 15% off if you use my link from Lamin-X. So yeah, and then I'll put the link on the bulbs, also the price. I'm gonna put the time of recording basically, or time of upload. I'll put the pricing in there of different bulb options that I tried. I've been a long time high carry user. I just used the $39.99 bulb that they have, and that one is awesome. So just gonna go around here, and yeah. So again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, share. Again, thank you for watching.